Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are into affiliate marketing or CPA marketing but keep facing account ban issues, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to share an amazing platform called Duoplus Cloud Phone that can help you avoid suspensions and keep your campaigns running smoothly. You can also use WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Telegram and any application in Cloud Phone. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step strategy. You need to watch this full video. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. I wanna share with you this platform called Duoplus. This is a great platform. Using Duoplus, you can create anti-detect cloud phone for multiple accounts. In this cloud phone, you can use WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Telegram and any kind of application. Here you can see real feedback from users. You can choose Duoplus for global social media marketing. You do not need to purchase multiple real phones. With Duoplus, one person can operate hundreds of cloud phones and social media accounts from a single computer. You can drive traffic. You can boost sales. Let me show you how you can use this platform. You can click on Get Started button. Now you can click on Sign Up for Free button. You can type your email address and then you can click on Send Code button. This platform will send verification code on your email address. You can type your verification code. Now you can type your password and this is optional. You can read and agree its terms of service and at last you can click on Create Account button. You can also continue with Google. I have already created account on this platform. I'm going to log in. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see easy to understand dashboard. Now you can click on Buy button. Here you can see two options. Cloud Phone Computing Power. You can click on Buy Cloud Phone button. Here you can see my balance is 0. First of all, I need to recharge this account. You can click on Recharge button. Now you can select your amount. You can use any of this payment method to recharge your account. You can add balance on your Duoplus Cloud Phone account. And then you can select your Android version. Like you can select Android 15. Android 12, Android 11, Android 10. Now you can select your quantity. You can create 5 cloud phones. You can create 10 cloud phones. You can create 20 cloud phones. You can create 100 cloud phones. In 100 cloud phones, you can get 50% off. Now you can disable this option if you don't want auto renewal. You can select your duration. You can select 7 days, you can select 30 days, you can select 90 days, 180 days, 360 days. In 360 days, you can get 15% off. Here you can see summary $4. You can click on Buy Now button. It's very simple to purchase Cloud Phone. You can simply select Android version. You can select your quantity, you can select your duration and then you can click on Buy Now button. You can type your cloud phone name. You can type your anything. Now you need to select your network. Here you can see proxy type, custom proxy, added proxy, dynamic proxy. You can enter your IP address or domain name. You can enter your correct port number. If you want to secure your cloud phone, then you can type your username. You can type your password. After entering proxy, you can click on check button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, this proxy address is working well. Sometimes free proxy will not work accurately. You will have to buy proxy. Now you can scroll down. You can select your resolution. You can select any of this resolution. Now you can select your brand. Like you can select Vivo, Realme, Samsung, Oppo. You can select any of this brand. Now you can select your model. Realme 3 Pro, Realme XT, Realme 5 Pro. You can select any of this model. You can select location SIM based on IP. At last, you can click on Finish button. Sometimes free proxy will not work accurately. You can purchase proxy. You can click on proxies button. Now you can click on dynamic proxy button. You can purchase proxy from 𝒕𝒉𒂃𝒏𝒌 platform. You can purchase proxy from this platform. You can purchase proxy from proxy 302 platform. Let me show you how you can purchase proxy. You can click on this button. It will then take you to this page. You can select your proxy type. You can select your regions. You can select United States, Australia, Brazil, Canada, Switzerland. You can select any of these regions. Now you can select your provider, Zone A, Zone B. You can select your package, 30 days, 90 days, 180 days. Now you can read and agree its terms of service. At last, you can click on Pay Now button. It's very simple to purchase proxy. This proxy will work accurately. After purchasing proxy, you can click on Cloud Phone button. Now you can move your cursor on IP section. You can click on this icon. You can type your cloud phone name. You can click on Dynamic Proxy button. Once you will purchase proxy, then that proxy will show here. You can select that proxy. You can select any of this resolution. You can select brand like Samsung, Vivo. You can select model. You can select any of this model. Okay, after completing it, you can click on Finish button. Similarly, you can edit this profile. You can type your cloud phone name. You can type your anything. Now you can enter your proxy. You can select your resolution. You can select another resolution. You can select your brand. Like you can select Samsung, Vivo, Oppo. You can select any of this brand. You can select your model. You can select a location, SIM based on IP. Now click on Finish button. Guys, you can also change the Android version. You can click on this icon. You can select your version. Now you can click on Submit button. Here you can see tips. You can read these tips. All data in the cloud phone will be cleared and cannot be restored. Click on this button. Here you can see expiry time. Now let's see how this cloud phone will work. Click on Power On button. Similarly, you can open another cloud phone. You can use hundreds of cloud phones with a single computer. Guys, it will take some time. Here is showing Cloud Phone 1, Cloud Phone 2, Cloud Phone 3, Cloud Phone 4. You can use all of this cloud phone. Guys, you can see this cloud phone is looking just like physical phone. Here you can see About section in Cloud Phone 1. Here you can see Android version 11. Now let me check Cloud Phone 2. You can see IP address is different. You can open Gallery app. You can visit on Play Store. You can visit on Chrome browser. You can click here to open Gallery app. You can click here to go back. You can open File Manager. You can open Phone. You can open any application in your cloud phone. You can click here to go back. Now I'm going to open Chrome browser. Guys, you can use this cloud phone to manage multiple social media accounts. You can manage Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Telegram. You can manage any social media accounts. This cloud phone will work just like physical phone. You can see everything is working well in this cloud phone. You can create multiple cloud phones and then you can create Facebook account, Instagram account, TikTok account. After that, you can use it for your affiliate marketing, CPA marketing. You can create hundreds of cloud phones with a single computer. Guys, this is a best and unique strategy to do affiliate marketing. You can use Duoplus platform to create anti-detect cloud phone. You can use this cloud phone for CPA marketing, affiliate marketing. If you want to create more cloud phone, then you can click on Buy Cloud Phone button. Now you can select your Android version. You can select your quantity. If you will create 20 cloud phones, then you can get 40% off. You can select your duration, 30 days, 90 days. At last, you can click on Buy Now button. If you want to purchase proxy, then you can click on Proxies button. Now you can click on Dynamic Proxy button. You can purchase proxy from these platforms. This proxy will work 100% accurately. Here you can see 3 types of subscription plan. If you will purchase this subscription plan, then you can get all of these features. If you will purchase this subscription plan, then you can get all of these features. You can purchase any of this subscription plan. Guys, if you want to earn money from Duoplus platform, then you can click on affiliate button. Here you can see you can earn good amount of money using Duoplus platform. You can click on join now button. Now you can type here your email address and then you can click on get verification code button. You can receive verification code on your email address. You can type your verification code and at last you can click on login button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on links button. Here you can see your affiliate link. You can share your affiliate link on your social media platforms. When your visitor will click on your referral link and they will purchase any of this subscription, then you will get 10% commission. So friends, take advantage of Duoplus Cloud Phone platform without getting late. You can check link in the description. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.